So yesterday I bought two Rubik's Cubes. I already opened them, but I put them back in the package so I could show you, the viewer, how I opened it. But first, I'm going to pause it right now. Okay, so now what we need to do, lift this up, take out the Rubik's Cube, take out how smoothly it goes. I'm keeping the box for later, but let's pause here. Let's finish. Time to do the 3x3. I'm going to pause one more time just to show you. Okay, so I got it out. I bring it back down. Nope, that's all. See you next time. By the way, this is my last video before going to a vacation tomorrow. Well, see you in 2 weeks.